Hi Kailash, tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Kailash Bharatwaj Sridhar. I'm currently pursuing my materials engineering in University of Wollongong. I finished my undergraduation in mechanical engineering. During my undergraduation, material science captured my interest, and the science of how things are made interested me, which made me opt for post-graduation studies in materials engineering. During my study at uni, I worked part time in a petrol station where I developed important skills such as working with customers in a fast paced environment. And I developed communication skills. By this, I mean listening to customers and then assisting them in what they want so that they'll get the solution to their problems. And my second strength is work. I worked in diverse teams. Right from my high school till my post graduation study, I worked in different teams working towards a common goal. I believe these skills, along with my academic achievements, would make me a very good fit at your institution. Thank you.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competency to solve a problem which resulted in a positive outcome?
During my undergraduation, in the final year, I had to do a project. We did we did a project for the very first time. That is like there isn't a solution to this problem earlier. So what our project is like, it's a novel approach towards conserving energy in foundries. And the first step towards that was to find the solidification time for a particular mold. So we chose a simple mold because we didn't want the process to extend and then make it difficult for us to find a solution. So we chose a simple cube, and then by using various calculation we found the solidification time. But to be more sure, we tried to simulate a particular situation wherein we'll pour the molten material and allow the solidification of the material to happen and then find the solidification time. We tried various softwares, but not all this, but it wasn't helpful actually. And I was well versed with AutoCAD, so I gave an idea of simulating the same situation in AutoCAD. Initially, people thought like my group members, I mean, thought like it wouldn't be a good idea, but I was sure that it's going to give us a solution, and I did the AutoCAD simulation, and then it was very helpful because we were able to find a solidification time with just a 3% variance in the solidification time that we found by manual calculation. So this improved, or this was the first step towards our project. So it was really helpful.
The position requires you to work in a small team with people from diverse backgrounds. Can you describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively?
Yeah. Right from my high school till the post graduation, I've worked in diverse teams, like involving people from different parts of the world. So even to take one situation out of that, during my post graduation study for project management, we were required to form a diverse team. So we formed a diverse team, and we had people from different backgrounds. Like I was a materials, then the other guy was mining, and the other person was project management. So initially, we found it very hard to get going. So we had to sit after the class and then introduce ourselves, set our goals, and work towards it. So with time and with frequent interaction with the group members, we found it very easy, and then we were approaching towards a common goal. And then during the meetings, we brainstorm like whether we are approaching in the right direction, and it was very helpful because we were able to track our progress. And then all of us were interested in one thing: we wanted to learn something different, and we didn't study for marks. So when it came to the final presentation and the group report, we did very well, and we received second highest mark in the overall group. So we were very happy with our effort, and we were happy that our effort produced a result. And that's it.
Our company is known for managing multiple projects, resolving a diverse range of problems. Can you give us an example of when you have worked to make a process situation better or more efficient? What did you do and what was the outcome?
During my sophomore year, I was a part of corporate relations in in my college. So we plan the tech fest that happens in our college. So every year we collect funds from the university, and then with whatever limited funds they give us, we have to plan. So always we had a problem of finance. It was always not necessary, so we had to collect from other students. So this year we thought of doing something new, and then we thought of approaching the college management and telling them about getting aid, like sponsorship from other companies. This would not only increase the ability to spend to different events, but also in improving the or publicizing about the event. We wanted to make it a famous event, at least to our particular city. So we were working towards that. So I gave the idea of approaching the college staff and then explaining them like what we have in the mind and convincing them that the external scholarship would really help them. I mean sponsorship. So by this we made we made the event a very successful one, and we set the base so that we can improve from next year. So it was a very rewarding experience.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, actually I have two questions. First question is like I just want to know like with what people I'll be working with closely. That's my first question. And my second question is I noticed that your company focuses on customer needs. And how do you think my skills contribute to that record? Thank you.